Do you want to become a magnet for the people you desire? Learn the secrets to making them crave your company and become addicted to you. You might think that some people are just naturally charismatic or lucky, but the truth is that anyone can learn how to make others addicted to them. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships or excel in your career, knowing how to make others addicted to you can give you a competitive advantage. In this video, we'll dive into some practical tips and strategies to help you become the kind of person that others crave being around. Get ready to discover the secrets to becoming irresistible to others and taking your relationships to the next level. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 10. Confidence is key. The first and most important step in making someone addicted to you is to have confidence in yourself. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence and self-assuredness. So work on building your self-esteem, focus on your strengths, and be proud of who you are. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about embracing your imperfections and being comfortable in your own skin. For example, if you're on a date or spending time with the person you want to make addicted to you, make sure to maintain eye contact and speak with conviction. Stand up straight, smile, and be assertive in your actions. It will make you appear more attractive and desirable to the other person. Number 9. Trust. Trust is essential when you want someone to get addicted to you. Building trust is not easy, but it's possible if you remain honest with your partner. When you consistently fulfill your promises and commitments, you establish yourself as a reliable and trustworthy partner. It helps build a sense of security and safety in the relationship, leading to stronger emotional bonds between you and your partner. Even when it is difficult, speaking the truth is a critical aspect of building trust. It may be uncomfortable or even painful in the short term, but it helps establish your credibility and trustworthiness in the long run. Being honest with your partner shows that you respect them and value their trust, which can strengthen your relationship over time. Number 8. Respect. When you respect your partners, you create a foundation of trust, communication, and understanding. Disrespect from your partner can make you feel hurt, angry, and disappointed. It can make you question your partner's love and value for you and make you feel like you are not being heard or understood. Disrespectful behavior can lead to a breakdown in trust and communication, ultimately damaging the relationship. It can make you feel unappreciated and undervalued and cause you to question whether you want to continue the relationship. For instance, if you have an abusive partner who disrespects you even in public, you will become afraid to speak your thoughts openly. It will eventually make you angry and disconnected from that person. So if you want to make someone addicted to you, respect them. Number 7. Dependability. Your partner must be dependent on you for something if you want to make them addicted to you. When someone can rely on you, they feel secure, supported, and valued. Dependability means that you are a reliable and consistent person, and your partner can rely on you when they need you. Dependability can take many forms, like listening to your partner's needs, keeping promises, and fulfilling commitments. It also means you prioritize their demands and needs in your decision-making. Financial dependability is another vital aspect of a long-term healthy relationship. It involves relying on your partner to manage money responsibly and contribute to the relationship's financial well-being. Financial dependability means that both partners are on the same page regarding finances. Number 6. Be patient. Being patient in a relationship means being able to remain composed and understanding during tough times and offering support and empathy to your partner when they need it. If you want to make someone addicted to you, patience is necessary. Challenges and obstacles are typical in relationships, whether it's disagreements, difficult situations, or personal struggles. Instead of letting frustration or anger take over, taking a step back and remaining calm can help prevent you from saying or doing something you might regret. This way, you can approach the situation with a clear mind and find a solution that works for both you and your partner. However, it's essential to remember that being patient does not mean accepting unacceptable behavior or neglecting your own needs. Number 5. Intimacy. Without intimacy, a relationship is empty. Intimacy is when you remain close to your partner, both physically and emotionally. When your partner gets emotionally and physically intimate with you daily, they will become addicted to you. Physical intimacy can include hugging, holding hands, cuddling, and sexual intimacy. Emotional intimacy involves sharing your thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities with your partner and facing all problems together. If you want someone to get addicted to you, both emotional and physical intimacy are essential. Suppose you leave your partner alone while they are facing a difficult period. In that case, you are making them capable of facing any difficulty alone, especially if the problem or situation involves both of you. For example, let's say your partner is pregnant, and it's your mutual decision to not make them feel emotionally secure during their pregnancy. You make a rude comment about how their body will not look great after getting pregnant. It will make the person feel terrible about you, and instead of getting addicted, they will curse the time when they decided to be with you. Number 4. Forgiveness. It's a known fact that you will feel better in any relationship when you forgive someone. For romantic relationships, forgiveness should be your top priority. As humans, we all make mistakes, and so does your loved one. For instance, if your partner has made a mistake that breaks your heart, it's better to forgive them if you want to build a healthy and long-term relationship. Your partner will be in love with you when you accept their apology. If they know that you are forgiving, they will be honest with you. Forgiveness will heal broken trust and emotional wounds. You and your partner can avoid hurtful arguments, bitterness, and anger, which can be toxic to your relationship. On the contrary, if you do not forgive, it will cause restlessness, fighting, and anger, eventually breaking your relationship. If you want someone to get addicted to you, forgiveness is the recipe. Number 3. Keep the relationship fun and interesting. To keep your relationship interesting and exciting, try new things together and avoid getting stuck in a monotonous routine. Surprise your partner with little gestures like a thoughtful gift or cooking their favorite meal if they love food. You can plan date nights or weekend activities to spend quality time together. Engage in activities like hiking, working out, or trying a new sport that you both enjoy. Traveling to new places together is an excellent way to create new experiences and keep the relationship fresh. Exploring different cultures and environments can help you learn new things about each other and appreciate your partner's qualities that you might not have seen before. Taking road trips to nearby cities or flying to different countries can be exciting and create unforgettable memories. Traveling together provides an opportunity to try new foods and see new sights while building a stronger bond with your partner. By making fresh and exciting memories with your loved one, you can keep them addicted to you. Number 2. Make quality time. Making quality time for each other a priority is essential to maintaining a healthy, long-lasting relationship. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the demands of daily life and neglect our relationships. Therefore, you must regularly set aside time for your partner if you want to make them addicted to you. Whether it's a few hours in the evening or an entire day on the weekend, make sure you're fully present and engaged during that time. Quality time means you are attentive to your partner and listen to their thoughts and plans. Quality time will not only strengthen your bond, but also help build trust and emotional intimacy. Number 1. Praise them. Giving compliments and expressing appreciation towards your partner is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy and long-lasting relationship. It helps to strengthen the emotional connection and build trust and intimacy between the partners. When you praise your partner, it is important to do it genuinely and from your heart. It shouldn't feel like you are doing it just for the sake of it, but rather because you genuinely feel grateful and appreciative of their presence in your life. You can express praise in many ways, such as verbal affirmations, love letters, or even small gestures like bringing them their favorite snack or surprising them with a thoughtful gift. The key is to do it regularly and make it a part of your routine to show your partner how much they mean to you. Being specific in your compliments can also have a significant impact on your partner's self-esteem and confidence. Instead of giving a generic compliment like, "You look nice today," try to be more specific and highlight the particular traits or qualities that you admire in them. For example, "I love the way you light up a room with your smile," or "You always know just what to say to make me feel better." Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to become a priority in someone's life in 9 steps. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.